Comparison of Moto X40 and Motorola ThinkPhone. Display. Display size. Display type. Display resolution. Display refresh rate. Display screen to body ratio. Display PPI density. Display protection. Design. Design length and width. Thickness of the design. Weight. IP rating. Camera. Rear camera Motorola X40. Front camera Motorola X40. Rear camera Motorola ThinkPhone. Front camera Motorola ThinkPhone. Performance. Chipset. CPU. GPU. Operating system. Storage. RAM. Internal storage. Memory card. Battery. Capacity. Charging. Wireless charging. Features. Network. Fingerprint. 3.5 mm jack. USB. NFC. Price. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel.